What's going on? Welcome back to Algo HQ. My name is Ibu Karel. Today, I'm going to be testing DEFLY, which is a new app coming to the Algorand ecosystem. It's a wallet app and a trading app designed for mobile. We don't have anything like this in the Algorand ecosystem right now. This is going to be a first impressions type of video. I haven't really used the app at all. I just installed it and basically got the initial setup, but I haven't tried any of the features yet. So we're going to be testing it out ourselves and seeing how DEFLY works and if it's an upgrade on the current options. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here on DEFLY's Twitter, this tweet, you can get access to the beta by filling out this form and giving them your email. So once you've downloaded TestFlight and you've installed the beta version of DEFLY, let's open up DEFLY real quick. And this is what you see on the home page. It's quite nice. It's quite sleek looking, I have to say. They have a lot of different popular ASAs. So you see these are currently sorted by liquidity pool depth. So the deepest pool is the DEFLY algo pool, and we go down the list from there. You can also sort by the volume, the amount of swaps, the percentage it changed, the price, the market cap, and the age. What I wish they allowed is us to sort in the opposite direction as well. So if I want to sort by the newest projects, I should also be able to sort by the oldest projects. And I don't really see an easy way to get that. Maybe I'm missing it, but it would be a great feature to have. It seems like they are pulling the information from TinyMan 1.1. TinyMan 1.1 is the only DEX available to pull information from right now, but there will be more in the future. AlgoFi DEX, HumbleSwap, AlgoDEX, Pact. There's a bunch of DEXs coming out. WagMeSwap as well. Let me not forget about them. When you click on one of the assets, you can get more information. Let's check out Yieldly. So you can say daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, yearly chart. Of course, this is for TinyMan 1.1, so it doesn't have the full trading history, sadly. As you can see, liquidity, total volume, swaps, age, everything looks good. So we can also sort by new, hot, which I guess are the top movers or most eyes, and wrapped. So these are the more specifically official tokens, I guess. It looks like you can also star different assets to keep track of your favorites, which is quite cool. So next, let's move on to the swap page, and here's where we can swap. But before we move here, and I think these are my personal transactions, I think it's important to connect my wallet. So if I go over here to the bottom right corner and click wallet, I can import my wallet. And what I'm going to do is scan my QR code. And that's just the easiest way to do it. Import the wallet. Boom, we're there. Wow, USDC up 433%. Wow, okay, crazy. But either way, we're going to try a swap. So it looks like I've connected my wallet. Up here in the top right corner, you can see there's some preferences. I like candles better than lines, so I'm going to change that. You can also change your swap slippage, which is how much you allow the price to move while you're executing your trade. When the price of an asset is quite volatile, that you might want to set this a little higher. And I'm also going to keep percent and factors the same, basically is logarithmic versus linear. So we're going to put on candles, and I actually want to see what these candle charts look like. So let's go to Akita. Oh, and if you have candles, you can actually put some indicators on here, some moving averages. That's pretty cool. Scrolling feature, it's nice and smooth on the scrolling, which I do think is great. I like how fast these charts load, and it's very responsive. This is quite a quality app in that way. Doesn't seem laggy. So if we go to swap, let's try a swap. Let's get some Akita. So one algo is 121 Akita. This should swap with my wallet through TinyMan. So let's give it a shot. Private key not set. Looks like before you swap, you have to go to the top left corner in the hamburger or 3- menu, and you have to set private key. I think I already did this, but okay, it looks like I've added in my private key. I would have thought by scanning the QR code from my algo, it would have imported the wallet with the private key already, because the wallet was already connected. But it looks like you have to type in the 25 words yourself. I think maybe this could be improved on. Maybe just by scanning the QR code, you get those 25 words. I'm not sure if that's a technical limitation or not, but it would make it a bit more convenient so people wouldn't have to do both sides of that. So now that we're ready to trade, let's go back to swap. And I'm going to swap one algo for 121 Akita. Let's give it a shot. Very nice. Here it looks like we can see the details of the trade. So before I go through with that, it says the protocol, the price, the slippage, pay, receive, minimum received, fees, and the price impact. So looks like it's ready to go. This is quite nice. Great. So the swap was successful. Looks like we can also click the Algo Explorer link to see what happened. That looks good. And I guess if we go to transactions, can also see all the things that I have done. It even has some historical info as well from trades I've done in the past. This is quite cool. It looks like transactions are coming soon. On the swap page, you can see the recent trades that have been executed on this pair, so we can see different things that people have traded between Algo and Akita. I think you can also have multiple wallets in here. That's pretty dope as well. Yeah, so if I can even do this and import a second wallet. Okay, so once you import a second wallet using this menu, you can now switch between the wallets to track both of them. ASA Stats has a feature which will track multiple wallets for you at one time. So maybe DeFly will be able to integrate something like that in the future to aggregate multiple wallets into one portfolio. But other than that, this app is super smooth, not buggy, very responsive, nice UI, and I think they did a great job so far with it. So my first impressions of DeFly are extremely positive. And this is the first time I've ever tried the app. So if this is what the DeFly team can deliver at such an early stage, I'm really excited to see where they can bring this product, in a few months' time, and how big this could get, what kind of products they will offer in the future. I would say DeFly is really nice based off this first impression. And if you want to try it out, go check out the tweet that I posted in the beginning of this video, and you can give it a whirl yourself. It's on mainnet right now, and it's quite cool. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.